Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix Instagram comments not showing. So if Instagram comments aren't showing up on your post or feed, there may be several reasons for this issue. You can just follow this step to troubleshoot and fix the problem. The first and the basic one, you can check your internet connection. So ensure you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile network. And you can also switch between the Wi-Fi and mobile data to test the connections. For example, in here, I currently using Wi-Fi, so I can just switch it into mobile data and turn off the Wi-Fi if apparently the Wi-Fi is not working, or vice versa. And the second one is that you can update the Instagram app, because an outdated version of Instagram can cause glitches. You can just go to the App Store or Play Store, and in here you can just search for Instagram and then tap on update if there is any update available. The third one, you can refresh the Instagram apps, because sometimes comments may not load due to temporary app glitches. You can just open your Instagram application, and then you can just swipe down on your feed or the post to refresh it, and close and reopen the app. And the fourth one, you can also check if the comments are disabled. You can just see if the post owner may have turned off comments. So if it's your post, you can enable comments by going to the post and then tap on the three dots icon, and here you can select turn on commenting if this is if it is disabled. And the next one, you can review your privacy settings. If you cannot see comments on your post, you can go to the settings on Instagram and then find privacy comments and check if you filter comments or block specific users, because disable commenting filter if it's hiding comments unnecessarily. And you can also try to clear the app cache if you're using Android, because corrupted cache file may prevent comments from showing up. You can just go to the app settings and then find Instagram, tap on storage and cache, and here clear the cache. So if you're using iOS, you can uninstall and reinstalling the app to clear the cache. And you can also check for Instagram server issues, because Instagram may experience downtime or server issues. And you can also reinstall the app, uninstall it first, restart your phone, and download Instagram again from the Play Store. You need to also avoid using banned words or phrases, because Instagram may hide comments containing offensive or flag keywords. And the last one, you can also contact Instagram support if the issue persists. You can just report a problem, describe the issue, and submit your report. So hopefully by following this step, you should be able to resolve the issue of Instagram comments not showing. That's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and click on the thanks. Bye.